बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 math chapter number 4, factorization. Exercise 4.1, question number 5, Sindh Board part 5. Question number 5, factorize the following. My dear 9th class students, there are following steps. Write question, find AB value, write formula, put values in bracket, use right hand side. And your target is make your question the left hand side of formula. First of all, write question has been done. Second, find AB value. In AB value, first of all, multiply by and these are factor of x power 4 upon 1 to 1. This first factor will become out. Done. And these are factor of 121 y square, and this 11y will become out. Done this. Now, step number 3. Step number 3, write formula. Which formula we will write? You know exactly the third one. Minus b square is equal to bracket a minus b bracket a plus b bracket. Done this. A means x square 11 minus sign. B means 11y is equal to bracket a means x sorry, I have some mistake. I am correcting this. This bracket 11y. Done. X 11 square minus 11y bracket x square 11 plus 11y. Then this right formula, put value in bracket. Use right hand side. This x upon this powers will be add 2 to the 4, 11 11 the 1 to 1 minus sign 11 11 the 1 to 1 y square is equal to, and this bracket. I have no space, that's why I am writing here. Bracket x square 11 minus 11 y bracket x square 11 plus 11y. Then this, now it's become your answers. The book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, x square 11 minus x square 11 minus 11y. X square 11 plus x square 11 plus 11y. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.